Hello everyone. Today I am taking you along on my weekend morning routine. From an early tennis session to a delicious breakfast and some productive chores, let's get started. I like to start my mornings early, around 6 am. It gives me a head start on the day and plenty of time to enjoy my activities. First things first, I make my bed and freshen up. It sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Next, it's time for some tennis. I've recently started learning tennis, and it's been such a fun and beneficial addition to my routine. A few months ago, I decided to pick up a new hobby to improve my fitness and mental clarity. Playing tennis has not only improved my fitness, but also my mental clarity and focus. It's a great way to start the day with some physical activity. When I first started, I couldn't even hit the ball consistently. But now I've made so much progress, and it's incredibly rewarding. After tennis, it's time to tackle some household chores. Doing laundry and organizing my space helps me stay on top of things and reduces stress throughout the week. Now let's make a delectable breakfast. Today, I'm whipping up some oats and chia seed pudding. Learning to prepare healthy meals has been a big part of my journey towards better living. This breakfast is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to fuel my morning. I used to skip breakfast or grab something quick and unhealthy, but now I take the time to nourish my body properly. While enjoying my breakfast, I like to make a to-do list and meal plan for the upcoming week. It helps me stay organized and on track. This habit has been crucial in transforming my chaotic days into structured and productive ones. Planning ahead ensures I have healthy meals ready and that I can manage my time effectively. I started meal planning a few months ago, and it's made a world of a difference in my diet and stress level. Finally, I like to spend some time relaxing with a good book. It's a perfect way to unwind after a productive morning. Finding time to read has become a cherished part of my routine, allowing me to relax and recharge. Today, I'm reading 13 Steps to Bloody Good Wealth, and it's been such an enjoyable read. Reading not only helps me relax but also stimulates my mind and inspires me. And that's it for my productive weekend morning routine. Over the past few months, I've made small changes that have significantly improved my life. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below sharing your morning routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.